Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Montessyempire. Here is my scissors haircuts. If you're looking for a short hairstyle like this to make for yourself and look beautiful when you go out there, please, this video is for you. Watch from the beginning to the end. So guys, this video is all about my passion quick wave Pixie cuts. So guys, let me show you how to make this hairstyle. Feel relaxed and watch this video from the beginning to the end. If this is your first time of watching my video, please do hit on the red button to subscribe, and don't forget to drop your comments, like and share. And if you want to know more details about my video, please follow us on our website at montessyempire.com. You'll see all kinds of products there, and you will see all kinds of video and different kinds of hairstyle you want, because we are into all kinds of hairstyles. We braid, we fix, we dreadlocks, we do highlights and all, and we also sell products on our website like the straightener, the undryer, the ring lights, and more and more. Anything you think of. So guys, this video is just about the hairstyle. Watch, relax, and feel free. Do not forget to share. And on the website, guys, go on the website and see more things for yourself. For ladies, we have things for ladies. We have clothes, we have shoes, we have other things to enlarge your breasts and to go on your body fit. We have so many other products on the website. I hope to see you there, and don't forget to drop your comments. Please patronize us. It's still your boy Montessyempire. If you're here in Paris and you want Montessyempire to make your hair, you can also make an appointment on the website. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Have a beautiful day. Bye.